Assalamu alaikum, everyone. I hope you're having a lovely day. Today, I'm making the famous Afghan Kunjad Pulao. It's very delicious and also easy to make. I am using 5 cups of long-grain sela rice. Wash the rice 4 times and soak it in normal water for 3 hours or more. Take 1 kilogram of lamb shoulder and 1 cup of sesame oil. Add the meat to the oil and fry for 15 minutes. Stirring until the meat turns a golden color. Add salt to taste and keep stirring for more flavor. Now add 3 onions and cook for another 5 to 8 minutes. Pour in 5 cups of hot water. Cover with a lid and cook until the meat is about 90% done. Take out the meat and add 3 julienned carrots along with 1 cup of washed raisins. Cook the carrots for 5 minutes. Now add the soaked rice. Pour enough water to cover the rice. The water should be about 1 inch above the rice level. Add more salt if needed and sprinkle in cumin powder for flavor. Cover with a lid and cook for 5 to 10 minutes until the water is absorbed by the rice. Once the rice has soaked up all the water, add the meat back in. Cover again and place in a preheated oven at 350 degree, 180 degrees. Bake for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, your delicious and aromatic Afghan Kunjad Pulao is ready to serve. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Please don't forget to like the video and share it with your family. Thank you for watching and see you next week with another easy recipe.